Hey electric ride fans, this is Adam from Blue Force E-Rides. Have another unboxing today. We're going to be taking a look at the Nanrobot D6 Plus. This is going to be another one. It's going to be coming out to our events to test ride. Check it out on the website. All the specs and features on there, but I wanted to show you a unboxing and quick setup of it so you can see this awesome scooter and all it has to offer. So let's jump into it. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Nanrobot D6 Plus. So up here you have a beautiful display. Peel this protective wrap off. So this is a 52 volt, 2000 watt motor. You have 2000 watt motors, one in the front and one in the back. So it's going to get you about 40 miles per hour with a 45 mile an hour range. Also comes with a keyed ignition, which is really nice. So you can take this so you have it parked. You have your voltmeter. Take this little plastic off here. Alright. And everything is nicely wrapped too. You also have these quick disconnects, so if you ever need to replace anything or disassemble it, that's easy to pop those off, but everything is nicely wrapped here. Your trigger control, power, modes, really nice. Great texture here to the grip. There's trash away. Let's turn the screen on here, see if you can see it. It's pretty bright out today. Let's see here. There you go. So you can see the battery levels here. You also have the light here that shows you that it's on, what mode it is. So you can switch that to 1, 2, and 3. Your speedometer, change that to kilometers per hour. And then this is nice as well. It gives you a notification if you're in single motor mode or a dual motor. You'll get another little flashing light there. As you can see, now you have 2 little circles. Shows you that you're in dual motor mode. And you can flick the switch over here, turn the light off, and then you see that now that it's off. But beautiful display. You can see it's very bright out today, so you can still see this perfectly clear. You can see it even better in person than obviously on camera because there's no reflection at all, but really nice, really beautiful display. This one came with the hydraulic brakes. We also have the disc brake version, but really super strong on the hydraulic brakes, and just everything is super clean. I mean, you can see they really put a lot of attention and detail into it. Your horn assembly down here. You also have your left and right turn signals. This is for your halo LED light on the front, which you can see. turn that off. Moving down to the stem, you can see here in the stem, really super thick. Has this great detail here as well. One of the best stem assemblies that I've seen in the industry. This is a C-clamp that holds it nice and snug in here. Really super easy to break down. Really just loosen this, C-clamp comes up, stem folds down, and then you're ready to go. Bring it back up, C-clamp, and then there is zero wiggle in this, and you'll also get zero of that stem wobble and creak too. I found this assembly here is just phenomenal. You can see down here they have this all comes down through the stem, nicely wrapped down to another quick disconnect for the light bulb here. You can see really sleek design, super nice. It's got this aluminum housing that goes around it as well to protect it. For assembly, when I first took this out of the box, you can see a couple of things. Pretty much go back up here to the stem. All I had to do was just put these 4 screws in here, and then that was set up for the handlebar. And the other nice thing too, when you shipped it, or when Nanrobot shipped it, which would be the way it would be going out for all the scooters that they make, is that they remove the front and rear protection here for the tires, and this is really super thick, but it protects it from getting broken in shipping, so that's really nice. Really super easy, just pop those 4 screws on, and then it's nice and sturdy in there. Like I said, 2,000 watt motors, 1,000 watt in the front, 1,000 watt in the back, so 2,000 watts total. Great arm assembly. This C type assembly here for the suspension is really nice ride. Gives it great suspension, really hugs the road and cushions those bumps. You have your spring suspension down here. This is nice too. It covers the nuts for the assembly. Moving on to the deck. Great texture deck here. Front LED lights with turn signals. LED lights run all the way down the side down to the footrest. This is casted metal here for the footrest, so great for when you want to really take it off road and you get that, you know, pop that front tire up when you're riding, get some air time. This is really great to have. Great super wide footrest too. You can see here how wide this deck is, so great for 2 feet to be easily placed on there. Has a little bit of curve here, so makes it nice and sleek. So you have your turn signals and your rear lights here, and then down to the rear fender. It says that really heavy duty plastic, so very nice. And then one more thing, check out the hydraulic brakes here. See here you have your hydraulic brakes. So really nice, super snug, and has a great feeling as well. And then down to the kickstand, as you can see, nice and thick, really durable. Don't have to worry about it breaking. And you can see the nice bolts here are very nice and thick as well. The charge ports are down here underneath. A little hard to see. There's 2 of them. A couple other things that come in the box as well. You have your pump for your tire. You can see here, and then it also comes with this extension so you can reach your tires easily. And then with the charger, stuff fishing around underneath, you have this nice plug here, so it's easy to get in there. Don't have to worry about lining anything up. Just plug it in, charge it up, and go. Also have a couple convenient wrenches, so you have that in case you need to adjust anything. And then a little startup guide and your user manual to go over everything and get you up and running. So there you go, there's the Nanrobot D6 Plus. Really gonna love this ride. Take it out off roads, commuter. It's gonna be phenomenal. So until next time, take care.